So I'm going to show you a few pieces that were in our inaugural exhibition of Alphonse Mucha's work. These aren't Muchas, these are actually posters made for the Job cigarette paper rolling company, and these posters were hung in the show as a counterpoint to Mucha's work. Mucha's work is, of course, very beautifully decorative, and it has a lot of wonderful patterning in it, which this piece does too. But his work was a different sort, so we wanted to show a counterpoint to work that was happening at that time. So you might think to yourself, why are you handling this poster just so carelessly with your hands? Well, I'm here to tell you that this poster has been conserved. And the way that it's been conserved is that it's been wheat pasted with an acid-free glue to something we call linen backing. It is not, in fact, linen. It's a rag, acid-free piece of paper that's adhered to a canvas that then sort of makes this a bit more rugged. So some of the more delicate posters are conserved this way, and sometimes when there are very large posters, 2-sheet, 4-sheet, 8-sheet, giant billboards, that's how they're pieced together so that we can then preserve the poster. So here we have another wonderful Job poster, a very soft, illustrative poster. And the smoke of her cigarette actually indeed spells out the word Job, which is a wonderful sort of subliminal advertising. And once again, like, these are posters that were sort of used to show how Mucha was working so differently than other people at the time. And, you know, his work isn't as illustrative as this, or painterly, but it has a different look to it. Although I kind of like the cheeky expression this lady has on her face. She's sneaking the cigarette, hoping maybe you don't notice. But I will show you this one sort of oversized piece we have, which is by the father of posters, Jules Schrage. So you can see his work here is quite large. It's 3 colors, yellow, blue, and red. And it's done in stone lithography. It's a wonderful piece, but it's totally different than Mucha's work, if you're familiar with it. And that's why we put them in the show. So